My name's Dave Tu. I'm the president of DCL. DCL Logistics is an omni-channel fulfillment company providing high-growth brands with the ability to pick, pack, and ship orders to direct-to-consumer or to retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. We work with a lot of emerging brands. Some of the brands you may recognize are Magic Spoon, Shocks, and Therabody. But we also work with a lot of companies that are Fortune 100 companies like StreamTech and Johnson & Johnson. We have 6 facilities. We span the West Coast as well as the Midwest. We have a facility in Louisville, Kentucky, and we have our newest facility in the Northeast in York, Pennsylvania. The orders range. So during the slow season, we're shipping 25,000 orders a day, but it peaks to maybe 75,000 orders per day. And I expect that this peak season will be our biggest peak season ever. You really have to look at the different channels in which you ship product out. Say, for example, direct-to-consumer, what we call small B2B wholesalers and distributors, and big box retail pallet shipments. You really have to take one thing at a time, one small piece at a time, and build on that. And that's how we really try to tackle shipping, by looking at the various channels in which we ship. So for direct-to-consumer, obviously it's high volume, lower units per order, and that's a different requirement than something that's like wholesale distributors or like big B2B. And so we really started with that. We really started with the high volume, small units per order to figure out how do we ship these orders out the door and do it in a more automated fashion. We offer an expansive array of operational solutions because we're an extension of our customers' operations. Everything from, obviously I talked about fulfillment, direct-to-consumer and retail, but value-added services such as assembly and light kitting, as well as returns management, warehousing, and testing and configuration. And so I think you have to look for automation that fits with your business. You can look at enterprise level automation, which is very capital intensive and very expensive. We really looked at automation solutions that were small that we could build upon. And that's how we started upon this journey, really. So we really started the automation, the bulk of our automation in one of our facilities in Louisville. We had to go from 5,000 orders to 30,000 orders, and we had to get this implemented within 6 weeks. And that was kind of the genesis of some of the automation that you see in our facility. So we started off in 1 building, and now we have 6 buildings. Super excited. Obviously, we believe in it, so we're leveraging our automation for the future. Would we have had the same success if we tried to do it all at once? There's no way we would have had the same success if we started it all at once. I truly do believe that you have to start small and build upon what you need in modular pieces. And we'll continue to build on what we have now. Every day, there are changes that we need to make to our conveyance, to our automation. And we worked closely with StreamTech, our partner, to make those changes happen virtually on the fly. So they've been really good partners for us in listening to what our needs are and getting those needs implemented quickly. I think what's really exciting about what we do is for 40 years, we've been based in Silicon Valley. This is kind of the heart of entrepreneurship, innovation, making it big. And what's really fun is we get to work with some of the trend-setting brands that are leaders in their respective spaces. I mean, we've worked with companies that have, startups that have started off with no product revenue. They're respective leaders in health and beauty, consumer electronics, enterprise hardware. And now we have a lot of digital native brands. So it's really exciting to see these companies start from scratch and grow, IPO, and to make it big. That's what really drives us at DCL.